Alright, welcome to the next part of the Avin E90 BMW Android Navigation System review. We were talking about MHD. Now, if you own the monitoring code, what is it called? The pack or whatever, you can go here and you can go here. Now that's interesting because that has the gauges on it, and you are able to configure. Oh, a cop just came and was looking at me like, why are you sitting in your car, brother? So this has the gauges on it, and you can configure it how you want. So this is really cool. Notice there it's got all the pertinent information. Now the way this is connected is by the K plus D CAN cable, which is down here. I bought the flat ribbon extension, and I am running the actual USB cable all the way up around the dash. It goes underneath the dash there, through this center console and into my glove box where I have the USB ports for the Avin. So in the glove box there I have the two USB connectors. I have a USB hub, and I have a Verizon hotspot right here. So this is where I'm getting my internet connection, Wi-Fi. So yeah, you can flash MHD from there. Well, let's hit the back button one more time, and we also have our XHP flash tool for flashing the transmission. Again, it asks you for the USB cable every time. Don't know why, but it's annoying, but that's what it is. So just to clarify, this is the 6-core unit. It's Android 8.1. I paid extra for the 6-core. It's very, very responsive. No issues at all with lag. No issues at all. Plays YouTube videos perfectly. We can take a look at that. So if we go to apps, oh yeah, the iDrive does work on this menu. Got that wrong. But yeah, if we go into here to apps, and I don't think I have Supercar Street Racing on here. Let's see. Nope, I don't. So I can't show you my app videos, but I can show you anything else. So yeah, here's proof.
No, I wait for you under the car.
That the videos do work. Now, oh, I forgot to tell you guys one thing before I end this video. The way that this connects into the audio system is via the auxiliary port right here. So you need an auxiliary jack, or you need to put one in. That's how the audio gets from the unit to the BMW system. It automatically switches the BMW unit to auxiliary when you turn on the car. You don't have to worry about that, so it's awesome. It does that for you. But yeah, USBs are 2 USB cables in the glove box, and this is the, oh, let's talk about their tech support, which is not very responsive. I've gone a week without an answer, so don't expect tech support to help you. They also have not addressed the problem with it booting to either BMW or the Avin. You can expect a week or more without an answer, so tech support is almost non-existent. So that, if you can deal with the installation hassles and the no tech support, then you will be fine with this thing, and it's awesome. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and thanks for watching.